how to fix the problem with your GoPro Hero 6, the housing clip not able to move up and down. Now if you just got this GoPro 6, then you can see that there is a remove thing here. So the remove clip needs to be removed before you can actually use it, before you can actually turn your GoPro up and down. Otherwise at the moment it's just stuck in one place. So here I'm going to show you how you can do that. So using the handle right there, just turn it anti-clockwise and it will come out, and you need to remove that piece there. It comes inside there, you can see it's removed, so clearly it tells you that you need to remove it. And you can put it to the side, and then in there we just put the screw back in. So just screw it right in. Now you can see that it can, after you remove it, you can now move the camera up and down like so. So there you go. You can now move the camera up and down, and that's it. That's why you're having a problem with your camera not being able to move up and down. You need to remove that piece of plastic there. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.